Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Tay phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Ke election MDC Hanong ba Shillong kalapan kala baji ya baro kinong ya lamsan perthai bar ki start ken jingken ya ke election. Bat don ru ki babu kendong ki kertong ya kun election bat kim ken ba ki dei kinong job bat mudur ba ularem. Pausi kini kalong mar Hong Kong ya kamon upat ba kum ka kertong VPP na laj umkra Malki constituency. Kakong deti majau kablayo jingjob da kaba penrem ya ukertong ka NPP uba Fantin Joseph Lakadong da sau hajar kendai spa rupuwe batam pras pa khat kendai ya ukertong ka seng kongres uba Manuel Batwa. Yo ba Fantin Joseph Lakadong layalap election lang da kakong Emprin Emlingdo. Kabadai ka kurim henry kine baro kide ki jingkala jong upat ba ban ay jingjob ya ka party pra. Kakhana pat ba ka sharun kaneng ibin sngo kumno upra umjob halat umkra malki tang ka kertong om da ke pat ba. Nenta ka por kamlong su kam kalang recha. Kakong DTH Maja pun joko ba bendo emlanong MDC MPP berin kalat mukha bakadei kenong yasaya kemudian
Yuna betul option tu bisa itu bakali kelima tu teman tu kena kali di common platform tu option tu lah itu tu betul sih lo betul Tapi yang oh namsong dingyong rumah dingyong ada madan pernah madan
This is just the beginning. So we are still in the race for the objective of the party is to win the assembly election in 2038, and we are towards that goal.
A huge margin, 22,000 votes that he secured. This is some meaning or there's some logic to it behind that, you know, the sitting MDC didn't do much. Or what do you think is the message here?
See, like I've said right from 2023, when I said that, see, we understand the pulse of the people of Molai. The people of Molai, they are not just, they are the one who inspires everyone, and they understand what they want.
A total of how many seats that you all won?
If I'm not mistaken, around 17 plus. Okay. Thank you. Kanot likisid ngelayo. Ha? Kanyo am. They obviously. Oh, thank you.